Hi everyone! Kindly hit the subscribe button right away! Welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna bake fresh breakfast bread. Fresh cranberry bread. Come with me, let's do this. We have some cranberries, we have eggs, lemon zest, yogurt, flour, baking powder, sugar, vanilla extract, some milk and butter. Add sugar to the eggs. You're whisking for about 7 minutes until creamy. Add your vanilla extract. Add your softened butter. Add your strawberry yogurt. This yogurt tastes so good. Continue whisking for additional 2 minutes. Add your zest and your baking powder. So now we can gradually add our flour to it. So now we add our warm milk. Almost there. So we wash our fresh cranberries or frozen cranberries and we add it to the butter. So we mix with a spatula. We grease our pan, baking dish, and we add it to it. Look at that! Fresh cranberry bread ready to bake at 350 degrees. And it 50 minutes. So we bake for 45 to 55, but I did 50 minutes and my cranberry bread was ready with some hot chocolate. You don't want to miss this cranberry bread. So delicious. Cranberry is really healthy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Love you all. Bye-bye.